Welcome to WordPress Quick Fixes from WP-Tutoring. Your pages worked yesterday, and today they say not found. We'll break a real site on purpose, so you can see exactly why, and then fix it. Your pages were fine yesterday, and today every one of them says page not found. Here's the good news. The content is almost never gone. WordPress has just lost track of how your web addresses map to it. Readable addresses like /sample-page are powered by a lookup table WordPress maintains behind the scenes. Site moves, new plugins, and server changes can knock that table out of sync, and every pretty address starts returning 404. So you can recognize it instantly. We're going to break a real WordPress site on purpose, watch the 404 happen, and then fix it. Let's start with a healthy page. Here's our site working normally. The sample page loads at its readable address exactly as it should. Now let's cause the problem deliberately. In the dashboard, we go to Settings, then Permalinks, the screen that controls what your addresses look like. This site uses post name, the readable structure. Watch what happens when we switch it to plain, the old numeric style. Select plain. And save. From this moment, every readable address on the site stops resolving, which is exactly what a broken permalink table feels like in real life. Back to the exact same address that worked a minute ago, and now the server says not found. Notice it isn't even a styled WordPress page. The address lookup is so broken the request never reaches WordPress at all. Your page still exists in the database, untouched. This is the symptom to recognize. The fix lives on the same screen. Back to Settings, Permalinks. Postname is the structure most sites should use, short, readable, and good for search engines. Select Postname again. And here's the part to remember. Clicking Save Changes on this screen rebuilds the entire address lookup table from scratch. Even when the settings already look right, resaving permalinks is the classic first fix for sudden 404s after a migration or a new plugin. One more visit to the same address, and the page is back. No restore, no panic. Content was never the problem. The lookup table was. Here's your first aid routine for sudden 404s. When pages 404 but still show up in your admin, the address lookup is broken. Your content is safe. Go to Settings, Permalinks, and click Save Changes. That one click rebuilds the table, even when the settings look correct. Then think about what changed right before it broke. A migration, a new plugin, or a server move is usually the trigger. If your site has bigger problems than a 404, our Site Rescue course walks through diagnosing and fixing a genuinely broken site step by step. All the full courses and training are at the address on screen. Link in the description too.